Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Friday, March 22nd, and when I woke up this morning I was 62.65. Therefore, no loss, no gain since yesterday. So let's take a look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, I consumed 2050 calories, 128.3 grams of protein. I walked 18,342 steps for a total of 13.3 kilometers. Let's take a look at the meals. I broke my fast at 9:30 with a shake. It was gorgeous. Then a bit later on, I had an apple followed by the last salad of the prep. It was corn, feta cheese, olives, and white beans. It was really delicious with nuts and seeds. And then last meal, very late, from between 6 and 7, the quinoa, tofu, edamame with a little bit of Edam cheese. And I added crackers, blue cheese, gorgonzola cheese, and a square of chocolate. And that was really nice. I needed that little extra after the meal. I was really happy to have it. And I didn't have time to make the soup. Yesterday was not ready, so I didn't have soup. I would have loved to have soup before, but that's fine. At the end of the day, I was really happy with my meal, and that's all that counts. So I meal prepped. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the weekend prep, Friday to Monday. We have 4 shakes, pineapple and berries. They're all the same. Here we have 4 salads, 2 and 2. One is lentil salad and the other one is chickpea salad. Not this one, this one. And if you notice, I put the lettuce at the top so it stays dry. But if you shake it and you reverse it, then you'll have the liquid, and the dressing will go on the salad. Here we have leek soup, leek potato soup, and carrot soup. We have tofu, broccoli, couscous for the first dinner, 2 portions, and we have basmati rice, prawns, shrimps, and courgette for the last 2 portions. So this is it. We're ready for this weekend, and we'll probably be adding a little bit of eggs to that. And I meal prepped for the next 4 days. So today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then on Monday, I'll meal prep for the last 4 days of the 12-day challenge. And I will then, the weekend after, go. Sadly for me, it is over in a week. But for now, we're still in the present. We do not need to look and think about the future. So let's focus on this weekend. In terms of training, yesterday, so I walked a little less than usual, and I consumed a little more calories, more as a maintenance, little lower maintenance, but still not really a deficit. So in terms of steps, yeah, I walked less because my knee was hurting, and I didn't just have I didn't just hurt the skin, is I literally fell on my knee, so it is bruised and it is sensitive. So I took it a little easier in terms of steps. But let's take a look at the training. It was an upper body training. I will give myself a good 6 on 10 for it because it was quite intense actually. I took my time again for the reps. I did really good. It was a long workout actually. It was very long. And overall, it was a good workout, good upper body workout, which gave a bit of a break to my knee. So that was good. All in all, yeah, I'm very happy about everything. I feel good. This weekend is going to be nice. I'm happy that I have a meal prep for the weekend. It's very rare that I have 4 days of Friday to Monday. It's very rare, but it's going to be very appreciated. If I want, I can add some eggs to my salad because I do enjoy having eggs on the weekend. It's just, to me, the weekend equals eggs. That's just my habits. But yeah, I might not. But anyways, it's ready. I don't have to do anything anymore. And overall, I'm looking forward to this weekend. It's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be sunny. So I'm going to be able to walk and all this. And I'm going to be able to be active. Hopefully my knee, gets better soon. And so I can be back training legs today. But it's going to be another session where I'm going to have to find alternative ways to bend my knee. Anyways, all that to say, I'm in a very good mood. It is Friday, 22nd of March, so I only have a week left. But I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.